Today, our little learners explored the fascinating world of robotic through a fun and interactive hands-on activity. The session began with our teacher introducing the concept of robotics in a simple and engaging way. The children learned what robotics is, how different building blocks can be connected, and how simple ideas can be transformed into creative models. बच्चों ने टीचर की हर इंस्ट्रक्शन को ध्यान से सुना, समझा और बड़े एक्साइटमेंट के साथ एक्टिविटी के लिए तैयार हुए. After the demonstration, the children eagerly started building different models using colorful robotic blocks. They explored various shapes, connected different pieces, and expressed their creativity while learning through play. This activity helped develop logical thinking, creativity, problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, fine motor skills, concentration, and confidence. Every child enjoyed experimenting with new ideas and discovering different ways to create unique models.